Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make multiple Google Forms. So creating a multilingual Google Forms allow the respondents to choose their preferred language, so it will be more accessible to a wider audience. And so this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. First, you can just use the manual translations, and this is best for simple forms. You can just open the Google Forms. Here, I'm going to just create a new form. And in here, on the first question, you can add a drop down or multiple choice question for language selection. For example, in here, you can just write like this. Please select your language. Sorry. Write like this, and then you can add the option, for example, English. Here you can write French, or last one, Spanish. And after that, you can list available language just like this. After you list the languages, you can just create section for each language. So you can just click on the add section button in the form editor, and in each section you can translate the question into a different language. And after that, you can use the go to section based on answer feature on the form. You can click on the three dots on the language selections. So click on these three dots and then tap on go to section based on answer, and this one for English you can choose which section they will go into, and the next one, and so on and so on. And after that, you can just share the form link with your audience. And the second method, you can use Google Forms and Google Translate. You can enable the Google Translate in the browser. So if you're using Chrome, just like I do here, you can just right click on the form and then select the options translate to this one, and then choose your language. And alternatively, you can just add the language code. You can also use Google Sheets for auto translation, but this is for advanced. So you can link your Google Form responses to Google Sheets and use the Google Translate formula to translate responses into different languages. And the next one, you can also use add-ons, and this is best for complex forms. You can install an add-on like Form Translator by going to these three dots and tap on Get Add-ons and find the Form Translator. You can just follow the add-on instructions to enable the multiple languages. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.